Hey you guys, it's your girl India J and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a hair tutorial video reinstalling my old Amazon wig. So make sure you guys just stay tuned and continue watching. So right now you guys, I'm just doing a quick braid down. I have all my braids going towards the back. I feel like this is the best style for me for a flat install. I use edge boosters to moisturize my hair and to get my braids nice and neat. As I said before, you guys, so I'm going in with the edge booster. Look at the slick back, y'all. Look at the slick back. I'm getting hyped because the slick back is everything. I'm using some olive oil from Palmer's. That works miracles. Make sure you moisturize your scalp really good before you do an install to reduce frizz and itching, and just to keep your hair moisturized underneath. Right now, you guys, I'm doing the ball cap method. I'm pulling the ball cap over my ears, just making sure it's secured down. Now, you guys, I'm going in with Evan Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, Extreme Firm Hold, to melt the ball cap to my scalp. For this next step, you want to cut slits into the stocking cap where your ears are at, so you're able to pull the stocking cap towards your face. And then you go in with the blow dryer, make sure everything's dry and in place. As I said before, you guys, this is a reinstall, so I'm going in with Aussie shampoo and conditioner to clean the wig. So right now, you guys, I'm cleaning the lace. It still has some glue on it from my previous install. So if you take a dry washcloth and just rub the glue, it literally just rolls right off, as you can see. Now you guys, I just finished washing it and removing the glue. I'm going in with the Aussie's conditioner, and then I will detangle the hair. Now you guys, I'll be going in with my Silk Essential Heat Protectant and my Demnim brush to detangle the hair. As I'm finishing up the detangling of the wig, I decided to do the blow dryer towel method to make the wig dry faster because I was kind of in a rush. So I placed the towel down and I placed the wig inside of the towel, and I cover the wig as well as the nose of the blow dryer to make it dry faster. So as the wig drying, I cut my balding cap. I normally cut in the middle and I cut slits, and I go around the perimeter of the balding cap around my hairline. So when you do your balding cap, make sure that the balding cap isn't directly on your hairlines a little bit before, so that way you don't rip your hair out. So right now I'm going in with Ghost Bond, and I'm putting it around the perimeter. I'm just doing little dots. And then I like to go into it with my fingers to just move out the glue. Some people use like combs and stuff like that, but I feel like it just gets glue everywhere, so I'll just use my finger. Then I'm going in with my Born This Way concealer to blend my balding cap in to give scalp honey. Then I use the Tinted Lace Spray by Evan to spray on the actual wig. Some people use makeup. Sometimes I use makeup as well, but I use this if I'm just being lazy. Just spray it all over to get the job done. So another thing I do, I place my wig on the start of the balding cap. So that way when I actually want to take this wig off, I can literally just take it off and the wig cap and the wig come off together. So I'm gonna have to show you guys that in another video, but that's what I do to make sure that I'm not ripping out my edges when I take these installs out. So I go back in with the Evan adhesive spray to lay down this lace and make sure that this wig is secured. I take an elastic band and I wrap that around my head to melt this lace down. I leave this on for approximately like 10 to 15 minutes. I'll style my hair using a hot comb or blow dryer, whatever I need to do in the meantime to let that dry. Right now I'm using the styling brush to blow dry my hair to give it that body, that fullness. As you can see, it's giving body. This is like my favorite part. So I go in with my wax stick and I just lick down the hair. Make sure I use a generous amount. And then I go with my hot comb. So my hot comb is set to 450 degrees because I like to make sure that my install is flat, flat, flat. Once I remove the wig band, I go in with a foundation around the perimeter of the wig just to blend it in a little better. Then I'll take some razors from like the hair store to start customizing my wig to create baby hair. So I'm plucking right now at the perimeter. Then you guys, I went in with my mini flat irons to give the baby hairs a little bump. So the flat ironing of the baby hairs is optional. You can use wig glue, as you can see that I'm using, and you can just style them that way as well. And I really like using the comb when I do my baby hair because I feel like it's more precise, where I can really have more control over how I want the strands of the hair to go. And don't mind me, you guys, I'm also recording a TikTok video, so that's why I'm going back and forth. Also, when you have an old wig, it tends to bald, so I just go in with some mascara, jet black mascara, to cover up that bald spot. Now you guys, I'm removing the wig band after I let the baby hairs melt down. And here we go. Leave a comment on what you guys think. Also, you guys, leave a comment of good hair companies that I can try. And yeah, look at that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. Bye.